What's up, Tony fans? Tonight we're going to make a chicken casserole, and it's real easy.
Tony and Big Tony, join the family. Tony and Big Tony, join the family. There's Tony and Wanda and Big Tony too. We make our videos just for you. Tony and Big Tony, join the family. Tony and Big Tony, join the family.
I've already got my chicken on to boil. Boil it, usually I guess 30-35 minutes. I use the boneless, skinless chicken breast because it just takes a less amount of time to boil it. So we've got our chicken breast boiling. We've got our sour cream, our cream of chicken soup, and our Ritz, not Ritz, you can use Ritz, but we got our Townhouse crackers. And we're going to let the chicken boil, and then as soon as it gets done boiling, we'll just let it cool off, and we'll tear it in little pieces and get started. Okay, our chicken is done. We're going to just put it in the bowl, and when it cools off, we'll tear it into little small pieces. I'll let it cool off. I can't tell you how many times I've burnt my fingers trying to do it too fast. I started, as you can see, tearing it already. It's cooled down. So I just take my fingers and just tear it to pieces. Just shred it. I like to spread mine into smaller pieces. That way you get more, but you can spread it any way you want to. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350. Because it doesn't take long once you get the chicken shredded. You get your sour cream and soup, and it doesn't take long after that. Add a cream of chicken soup. I'm going to try 1 can. That's not enough. I bought 2 cans just in case. Smooth that out. We'll see if 1 can's enough. If not, like I said, we can add a 2nd can. And again, I like to use Campbell's. A lot of store brands on a lot of food is just as good, but to me, in soups, Campbell's just tastes better. Now we got our sour cream. We're going to, I guess, put about half of it in there to see how much we have with our soup. We might end up putting a little bit more, but okay. Let's see. And just kind of mix it up real good. It takes a little bit of time to mix it. Make sure you get all your chicken coated. These $1 bowls from Walmart come in quite handy. Okay, that might be enough. Looks like it's going to be enough soup and sour cream. Okay, there's going to be enough. Good. That's mixed up pretty good. I'm gonna try my small pan. See if it's not, if it won't fill my small pan, I'll put it in the bigger pan. Okay. Now I think it's ready to go in our pan. Just kind of spoon it in there. Like I said, I think it's gonna all fit in a small pan. I think, oh yeah, we got plenty of room. Just kind of smooth it out. I know it might not look too good now, but trust me, it's very good. Now you can use Ritz crackers or Townhouse. We got Townhouse now because Big Tony loves Townhouse, so we try to keep those around. And I like to take usually about 1.5 packs. Use as many or as little as you want, but I said about 1.5. I always have blue. Whoops, that's kind of big. You just take it in. If you want to. Just pour one there. I always just pour one there and just kind of spread them out. Oops, oven's preheated, ready to go. You just kind of spread it out. Okay, now, time for our poppy seed. Now the lady that gave me the recipe told me that it didn't taste the same without poppy seed. I don't know because I've never tried it without it. Just put your poppy seed on. I always put quite a bit on there. Like I said, I don't know if it tastes the same or not. I've never tried it without it. And then we're going to cook it for, the oven's already preheated to 350. We're going to cook it for 45 minutes. And that's it. Alright. See how easy is that? You can use Townhouse or Ritz. And Townhouse is already buttery tasting. But if I use Ritz crackers, I like taking, right before I put it in the oven, melt a stick of butter and put over the top of it. It's really good. Now this is really good with rice. I always like to use if I use the chicken breast that's got the skin on it, I take the broth from that and make my rice. If not, if it's the boneless skinless like I used this time, I just use the chicken broth to make my rice because, like I said, it's really good with rice. This is our finished product. We haven't cut into it yet, let it cool off a little bit, but I can see the edges bubbling. It sure does smell good. Like I said, we got a pot of rice to go with it. And I'll probably open some green beans or something, we'll see. But I can't wait to tear into it.